Look, kids, a dolphin. How could a field trip to the ocean get any better than this?
Morphle, morph into a bus that can dive underwater.
Look over there. It's a school of fish. Oh, and over there, jellyfish. And a whale. And, well, hello, miss. No, wait, miss. Ah, a shark. We need to get out of here.
Move around it, Morphle.
Oh my! This place is dangerous. We should go back. Oh no! It's the sea giant!
Who are you calling a sea giant, you tiny little man? I am Neptune, king of the sea.
Hi, Neptune. We're on an underwater school trip. We were having a lot of fun until a shark showed up.
Oh, that guy? He's not so scary. But he's gone now. So let me help you by making this the best school trip ever.
Is that safe?
Safe as can be. Go ahead.
Okay, here I come.
Oh, thank you, Neptune, for making this trip the best.
Yes, unforgettable.
My pleasure. Come visit me anytime.
Bye now. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.